Shadow, what'd you say? Well? No. Shadow, okay. Hey guys, guess what? Look, I had this piece of shit here hang on my window for I don't know how long. This thing here used to be right there. Right there. Well, not there, but they're here. Okay? Now, because it's so freaking hot outside, you know what I did? I went and got this, okay? Check this shit out. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Nice, huh? Like 50 bucks for that thing at Walmart, right? Let's see how good it works. Now, all I have to do is turn it on. I don't have to worry about being sweat my ass off ever again while I'm playing Runescape. Watch this shit, man. Watch this shit. Get a funny on switch here. Shut up, cat. Okay. Okay. Hey, it works. Guess what? You got a black light in our bathroom. I don't know why, but that was pretty funny. Woo. Woo. That's great shit. I'll have a black light. That was funny. Can you see me? You see me now, huh? What the fuck? Oh. So you probably wonder what I'm doing, and pretty much you see I haven't had a haircut in a while. So I figured I might as well just cut my hair.